Welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize keyboard backlight timer on HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First of all, we're gonna have to shut down this laptop by going to Startup menu and selecting Power Options and going to Shutdown. And after that, we're gonna have to open BIOS menu. But before we do that, make sure that the LED indicator on the power button goes off, and then after it goes off, wait for about 3 seconds before starting your computer again by short pressing the power button, and immediately start pressing escape button until the startup menu appears on your laptop screen. Now once you see the startup menu, let's press F10 to enter the BIOS menu, and in the BIOS menu we can use any navigation type of your preference. You can either use your touchpad to select, you can use your touch screen to, you can use arrow keys at left and right to navigate between tabs, and up and down to navigate between options. And this way we're gonna have to go to the configuration menu. In configuration menu, we'll be able to find keyboard backlight timeout option, which is set to 30 seconds by default, and we can change it by pressing enter or by selecting this option basically and selecting a different value. So we can either go with never or 3 minutes. Select the value that you prefer, and to save changes press F10 and then enter. If you want to ignore changes, press escape and then enter. So let's save changes and exit, and after that your laptop will reboot into the Windows. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.